Big news is making waves in the drone community today. Rumors are swirling about a potential new release from DJI, the undisputed leader in drone innovation. That's right, we're talking about the DJI Flip, a compact, foldable drone that could debut at CES 2025. Could this be the end of the DJI Neo? Let's dive into all the leaks, rumors, and speculation. Now, DJI hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, but evidence from the FCC suggests that the Flip might already be in its final stages of development. If that's true, a launch at CES 2025 seems very likely. The FCC filing reveals hints about a compact and portable design, signaling that DJI is focusing on safety and accessibility with this new model. So, what makes the DJI Flip special? Let's start with its rumored design. Early sketches reveal built-in propeller guards, a feature that's perfect for beginner pilots or anyone flying in tight spaces. If you've ever accidentally bumped your drone into a wall, yeah, you know how valuable this is. Unlike the DJI Neo, which is all about the immersive FPV experience, the Flip may take a more traditional approach with its controller setup. That's right, no FPV goggles here, at least according to current rumors. This decision could make it more beginner-friendly, but it might disappoint hardcore FPV fans. Battery life is always a hot topic for drone users, and the DJI Flip might just deliver a game-changer. With a larger 3,110 mAh battery, this drone could stay in the air for 20 minutes or more. That's a step up from the Neo's 15 to 18-minute range, and puts it closer to the DJI Avata 2, which boasts a 23-minute flight time. More battery life means more time for epic shots and exploring larger areas without constantly recharging. Now let's talk about cameras. The DJI Neo has a 4K camera with a single-axis gimbal, but the Flip could go even further. While exact details are under wraps, speculation points to a higher resolution sensor and potentially multi-axis stabilization. If true, this could make the Flip a serious contender for cinematic footage, appealing to both hobbyists and semi-professional creators. Portability has always been a DJI strong suit, and the Flip seems ready to continue that legacy. It's expected to be lightweight and compact, like the Neo, but with a larger battery, it might gain a bit of heft. Even so, having a high-performance drone that's easy to travel with is a major selling point for adventurers and vloggers alike. So, where does the DJI Flip fit in DJI's lineup? The Neo is an affordable, beginner-friendly option, while the Avata 2 caters to high-end FPV enthusiasts. This leaves the Flip to stake its claim in the mid-range market. If it combines premium features with a competitive price point, it could appeal to a wide audience and carve out its own niche. But pricing will be critical. DJI needs to strike the perfect balance between affordability and functionality. With CES 2025 just around the corner, all eyes are on DJI. The Flip promises to bring extended flight times, improved safety features, and better camera capabilities. But will it live up to the hype? And more importantly, is it the right drone for you? Or are you waiting for something else in DJI's lineup? That's it for today's video. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you excited about the DJI Flip, or do you think the Neo still holds its ground? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates from CES 2025.